Golden macaw for sale. He's DNA sexed male and in perfect feather. If you see all the way down to his tail, with just new feathers coming through, he's incredibly tame. Good boy. Absolutely loves attention. Say hello. Good boy. Good baby. Good boy. Just feeling a bit camera shy at the moment. Lift your wing, baby. Lift your wing, baby. Come, come. Show them your wings. Good boy. Good baby. Go around the side. Good boy. Good baby. He's a great macaw, extremely tame, and he will make a wonderful pet to the right home. If you'd like any more information or any more videos, please do let me know. Bye.